Hey guys, and welcome to the Mob Computers. Guys, in this episode of the Mob Computers, I am covering the Apple 2018 event. Yeah, in this event Apple launches too many things. Yeah, Apple launches 3 new iPhones, a Apple Watch, and iOS 12 in this event, and updates to MacBook and HomePods and much more. Yeah, software updates to MacBook, HomePods, and tvOS, watchOS, and much more. Yeah, in this video I will cover that all the things. But first, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, give a like to this video, and share this video. Yeah, Apple introduces the three new iPhone XR, iPhone XS, and iPhone XS Max. Here you guys can see we have the old lineup of the phones. Here you guys can see, and these are the new iPhone XS and the iPhone XS Max. Coming to the iPhone XR, here the iPhone XR with the blue color, and this one comes with a LCD display with thick bezels on the sides of the phone, and this one comes with a single camera on the back with stunning colors and with the aluminum frame and with a glass back. And this phone also comes with a dual SIM support. Yeah, this phone also comes with the dual SIM support. This phone comes with a liquid retina LCD display. Yeah, Apple called it comes with a 120 hertz display with less than full HD resolution. Yeah, it's just like the iPhone XS. This software is like the iPhone XS, and in the Face ID, as you can see, this phone also comes with Face ID. Yeah, there is no iPhone fingerprint sensor in this year models of iPhone. Yeah, here you guys can see 12 megapixel wide and camera on the back of the iPhone with f1.8 aperture with 6 element lens. Yeah, here you guys can see this is the portrait mode taken from the iPhone XR with just single lens. Yeah, the battery life on this phone is also awesome, and it is more than 1.5 or more than the iPhone 8 Plus and similar to the new iPhone XX Max. Here you guys can see the screen size is 6.1 and it is a liquid retina display. It comes with the Apple latest A12 Bionic chip, which is 30% faster than A11, and you guys can see the single camera can also take portrait modes and much more. Here you guys can see the iPhone XS, iPhone XS Max, and the iPhone XR. Yeah, now the iPhone XR comes in 64, 128, and 256 gigabytes of storage, and starting price of is 750, and it will increase with storage capacity. Yeah, it will you will launch in October 26, and pre-order will start after some time. Yeah, after 2 or 3 days. I'm not sure about the pre-order date. Yeah, here you guys can see we have the iPhone XS model and the 64 gigabyte, 256, and 512 gigabytes model of the iPhone XR XS. Coming it, the price of the iPhone XS is $1,099. Yeah, you can see the lineup: iPhone XR, iPhone XS, and the iPhone XS Max. Yeah, it will be available in these countries on September 21. Here you guys can see, and the iPhone, and here you guys can see the iPhone, and the Apple is going to launch the iPhone XS and iPhone XX Max in September and XR in late in October. Yeah, the iPhone XS will have dual cameras instead of single cameras. Here you guys can see, and comes in 3 finishes: silver, a gold, and a space gray. Yeah, here you guys can see it will be IP68 water and dust resistant, and it comes with a 5.8 inches OLED display, as you can see here, and it is smaller than the iPhone 7 Plus, and has a greater screen just like the iPhone X. And you can see the HDR movies on the new iPhone XS Plus. Here you guys can see, and this is the new model iPhone XS Max 6.5 and 5.5 inches. On this you can do some the portrait mode things, and here you guys can see 120 Hz display, 3D touch, and much more. Yeah, this also comes with a Face ID. Yeah, 3D facial recognition, and you can unlock it with your face just instantly. Yeah, the A comes with the A12 Bionic chip. It is a 6 core chip, and first 7 nanometer chip. Yeah, this is the first 7 nanometer chip, and 6.9 billion transistor in this single small rectangular chip. Here you guys can see 50% faster than A11, has 4 single core CPU, and it comes with a 512 gigabyte of storage capacity. Here you guys can see this also comes with AI mode such as emoji, memoji, etc. And this is the photo taken from the iPhone XS and without any edit. As you guys can see, this is the photo, but this is not the photo taken from the iPhone XS. And here you guys can see 12 megapixel wide angle and 12 megapixel portrait lens with a true tone flash at the center. Here you guys can see, and two tone flash at the center with 6 different element lens, just like the iPhone XR. Here you guys can see we have the camera, and it comes with a gold color. This gold color looks awesome. Yeah, this wide angle camera and with 1.8 aperture. Yeah, the iPhone takes about 12 or 10 take photos and combine them in a single shot to give you the perfect photo. Yeah, here you guys can see this takes about 9 photos and make them a single, and it give you a better photo. Battery life on this phone, the iPhone XS a plus max version iPhone XS is 30 minutes more than the iPhone X. And on the iPhone XS max, yeah, it is very difficult to pronounce, iPhone XS max, it is 1.5 or more than the iPhone 10s max. Yeah, this one comes with a gigabyte speed with best worldwide roaming. This one also comes with a dual SIM support with eSIM, means electronic SIM. There will be no SIM option, but it China and India there will be option of SIM, a hybrid SIM, a SIM tray in which you can put two SIMs at a time. Yeah, you when it come, yeah, as you can see here, when it will launch the phone, you can check it on my channel. Yeah, now talking about the Apple Watch. The Apple Watch has rounded corners with much larger display and the world best-selling smartphone. The main feature in this Apple Watch is that it can detect ECG. Yeah, it can do ECG without anything. If you have a heart attack or cardiac attack coming, means if you have any cardiac attack, then it can detect your cardiac attack by using ECG and will tell you that you are having a cardiac attack, and you can seek to your medical assistant. Then it can save your life. Here you guys can see low heart, if it can also tell when your heartbeat become low. And here you guys can see electrocardiogram, ECG or ECG. Yeah, and it is also environmental friendly. Yeah, if you find this video helpful, then give a like to this video, share this video, and subscribe to my channel for more future videos. Yeah, I will do the comparison between the iPhone XR, XS, and the XX Max in my upcoming video. Thanks for watching the video. I will see you in my next one. Peace out.